Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up UDP Custom settings in HTTP Custom, the new update. If you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend, and don't forget to drop a like. So I'll guide you with the UDP Custom settings in HTTP Custom to access a fast connection, a stable connection, and a secure connection. So we're going to start by opening Google Play Store. And then we search for this application, HTTP Custom. You're going to download this application in your device, and then after, you're going to open. Now, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So once you open your HTTP Custom application, it will be looking like this. Now, to set up the UDP Custom settings, you're going to come. Let me first show you what you're going to do. You're going to open Google Play Store, then open. Now, you're going to learn how to set up our UDP settings. You're going to go to the top left corner onto those menu slashes, then look for UDP Custom, and you'll be seeing such a kind of a page. Now we have the server, we have the account, and the TLS. I'm going to guide you through each and everything. Now head over back to your home screen and then look for Google Chrome. Once you open Google Chrome, we are going to be learning how to create ourselves a UDP Custom account. You're going to search for UDP Custom, udpcustom.online. I'm going to just search for UDP Custom, this one, and then you're going to come and look for home, which is udpcustom.online, this second website. And then once you tap onto it, you're going to come where you see these menu slashes, and then scroll them out, look for Premium UDP, and then you're going to be closing all those pop-up adverts. Tap Premium UDP right here where it ends, and then tap UDP Custom Server. Now you will come and then select the server. I'll choose United States, and then scroll down, confirm that you're not a robot by checking right here, and then you're going to be able to enter your username, which I'll put in Tech, and probably the password. And then after, you're going to come where you see generate server. You wait for those 7 seconds so that they can be able to generate you a server. Then after, make sure that you're using a keyboard that can copy and store this server IP, the username and the password. It's what we only want, only that. Then you're going to copy them together. So let me first delete everything in my clipboard, and I'll delete all things in my clipboard so that I can have only that. I'm going to come where I have the server IP, and I copy it. I'll copy the username also, and then I'll copy the password, and I will confirm that I have all those in my clipboard. I have the username, I have the server IP and the password. Now let us head over to Google Play Store, and then we open the HTTP Custom application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. So where we have the server, we're going to paste in our IP address, and then we shall put in a colon, then 1265535. Then the username, we're going to paste in our username, and then the password, shall paste the password. And then you're going to come and press this plus button, and then select this option, which is add to profiles, and then we shall name it as a UDP config account. And then we shall go to our profiles right here, because right here down you have home, profile settings, and guide. So choose profiles, and then you are going to choose that UDP config account, and then we will connect to it, and then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Tech, and I sign out.